out the fish over here. Saw the fish. Okay, we have cockles, oysters, crab, and prawns. Strong. This is the menu of Kah Lang. Today we are trying this, the signature seafood soup. Signature seafood soup, and as well as the fish head milk soup noodles. This is their snacks. There are various snacks, and today I go for the fried prawn paste fish slice, which is one of their popular dish and ought to try.
Spicy the chili?
Chili is spicy. The fish is nice, delicious, fried just right. With the prawn paste. Nice, right? Nice. Lemongrass is very refreshing. Less sugar. It's a crab. Crab. This is a seafood soup. The seafood soup is very flavorful, but nice. This is the milk. This is nice. The grouper with the milk soup base is really good. You have to order that. Both also nice, but the fish very little. Durian chendol. Durian, green bean, chendol, jelly. Not bad, right? Or you prefer Mao Sang Wang? I thought this is Mao Sang Wang. I don't think this is Mao Sang Wang. It's just a D24. This is a famous crispy prawn cracker. This is at 1680 RM. So many people. Oh. It's the extension of the restaurant. The restaurant business is so good that they are doing the extension. They have more space in the future.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling.
great to chill at this cafe without having to think of work. It's a great chilling place here. Celebrate the Year of Snakes. This is actually the Chinese New Year range. But I forgot what is this.
Oh, this is not Chinese.
It's this cloud tag. Yeah, this is on cloud tag. And this is another model. This is for Chinese New Year. But I still it is much cheaper than in Singapore. So you convert Singapore is about 275, whereas Singapore is selling about 289. But in Japan is only this is only 185. This is cheaper. Yeah, they don't have running. This is what they have now in JB. This is nice, so sweet. Oh, the color is so nice. We are at Meng Duck for our dinner, and we are ordering this platter. Ordering my siu bao, having light dinner, less carbs. And the other time I didn't get to try the lychee, so I'm just trying this lychee cheese ball. I heard it's good, so I'm gonna try. Apparently they are sold out for this, the crispy yam with honey roasted pork. The last time we tried this is so good. Here comes our roast duck platter. It's roast pork, duck, and char siu. And I have ordered rice. My char siu bao, my lychee cheese ball. It's actually cheese ball, lychee cheese ball. It's piping hot. More dishes coming. This is all we have ordered. Nice. The onjari rice is very nice. Is it too spicy for you? Beef rendang. Nice. Come to Madam Kwan. Won't go wrong. There are only a few selections here at Premier Outlet. So forget about the food court. It's either Tang Si Fu, Madam Kwan, or the Thai food. Nice color. It's a nice color. Color. It's nice. It's 30% off. It's too big for me. This is waist 27.
And join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la.
Yum. Very good.
Fast away the
There's a lot of butter. But butter is good for body, not margarine. Choose butter.